Good afternoon, Noel and everybody, and it will continue to be one for the next couple of days at least until we get some relief happening into the weekend. Yeah, live shot coming in from UC Berkeley. As you can see, the East Bay shoreline, just a little bit of wispy fog left over. It's kind of crowded around the Golden Gate Bridge a little bit. That's the spot. It usually tends to be very sticky-wicky. Here's a look at those winds. We do have at least a bit of a wind working for us. We'd like it more due west, but northwest does help some cooling relief. It has improved the air quality for us, too. Here's a look ahead for your afternoon and evening, 96 rather, for 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 92, 80 going on by 8 under clear skies, and inland you'll probably see the temperatures fall a little bit more rapidly until we get to that point that they don't fall much further by midnight or so. So far, wow, 96 already Livermore, 93 going on Concord, 94 Antioch, East Bay shoreline already popping in the upper 70s for Hayward, 84 Fremont. These aren't highs. These are where we stand now, 80s and 90s mixture up to the North Bay. Little sliver along the peninsula looking pretty good there. San Carlos, 81, 65 for Half Moon Bay. And it's only around the immediate bay. Remember where the winds are, like this, providing some cooling relief here, but inland, different story. It's still plenty toasty. And with all of that, excessive heat advisory. Got that heat advisory going on for Solano County, Central Valley. That's until 8 p.m. on Thursday. But again, the air quality is a little better, even up in the mountains. We got green here, moderate elsewhere, but even across the Central Valley, it's breaking through some green. And the bay itself looks pretty good, again, except the East Bay. And it looks like we're getting some encroachment of moderate to San Leandro and Hayward, as well as Fremont. So over the next couple of days, the high ultimately does start weakening a little bit, and that will allow, finally, systems from the Pacific to do some influence, although it's going to be modest. Next thing to look out for is towards the end of the week, with some monsoon moisture potentially in the mountains posing an issue. Now, some of the earlier forecast model runs were showing some lightning and thundershower activity. The rain part is great, but the lightning not so good. Now it looks a little drier, the latest runs, getting into Friday, Saturday, and so forth. So we have to get a little closer, see how that all comes together. Let's try your highs today. Again, projected for the next couple of hours. 74 San Francisco, upper 60s. We'll do it along the coast there. 83 Burlingame, 84 Millbrae. We'll keep it in the middle 80s down south, so at least we're not 90s for the most part in the southern end of the peninsula. 88 for Santa Clara, 90 San Jose, and it really starts popping when you get inland for Morgan Hill at 98, Los Gatos 95, 91 Cupertino, mid-80s for the southern end of the East Bay shoreline. We'll do the C note out to Livermore, 99 Pleasanton. 102 going on for Walnut Creek, 100 for Concord. So we're going to stay in that range for the next couple of days. 77 for Berkeley. Vallejo amended about 84, 103 for Fairfield. This is compliments of the winds that are still doing their magic, although we don't have the ideal onshore wind to come right across the bay. It's coming from the northwest. Sonoma at 97, 91 for Santa Rosa. As we take a look at the 7-day forecast here, we drop slightly. It's gentle steps. Hot inland, mostly sunny, 98. Slow cooling, that's for sure. 94, 87 by Saturday. That's the zone to bear some watching to see as that high starts to weaken what the impact will be for us. And again, also for the mountains, but will be improving by that point, Noel.